We are at an history place, and we've come all the way down to the seaside bit, and now we're walking all the way back up. There's like probably 5 or 6 flights of this. All the way up.
All the way up.
I did say if anyone could run up it all the way up without stopping, that'd be like 50 quid, but I very, very much doubt it. But yeah, that was the view. Got some cinematics. But you got 4 or 5 flight of stairs to go, Liam. Let's get up here. Look how steep this hill is. It's just one of them. You can see the incline. We've gone up 2 or 3 stories, but depends how fit you are. Kind of tired, but I could do it all probably.
That's that then. I can't be coming back for a while.
Alright, so we got to the top. This is the top over here. All the shops. I am out of breath a little bit, but it's not like I'm really far, like sweating out of breath. I'm used to it. I've done a couple of this stuff before, the Duke of Edinburgh. Yeah, it's pretty steep hills. If you're not very good with cardio, then it will really kill. It's like one of these hills. Look how steep that is. On camera, it doesn't do justice. That just looks straight, but it's hard to actually adjust it. That is really steep, and that's like the steepness of every hill. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself doing the cardio. So, by the way, I actually didn't really explain this place. It's kind of like a history place of obviously the floor is like, it was kind of different. It wasn't like tarmac because it was in the olden days. I'm not 100% sure on too much of the history. I don't want to get it wrong. It's quite a cool place. It was like loads of like buildings and stuff, and seeing how they actually got the food, because apparently the food went down. They had to take it up or down the hills to obviously get it to different people. So that's why the hills are very steep. It's a very interesting place. I'm not sure where it is. It's near Woolacombe. If you go near Woolacombe, I'm not sure what it's actually called. It's a pretty cool place if you want to go check it out. I do look red, by the way, and look sunburned because I actually got sunburned yesterday because we were on the beach just chilling out. So me and Ian got burnt. We're gonna go on the waves in a bit. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hello.
Oh yeah.
We're going to the beach. Yeah, we're going to the beach, go fly drones, go in wetsuits in the sea, we're gonna go on waves, we're gonna get some seafood. Not seafood, we're gonna get some fish and chips, but yeah, Liam's camera skills are sick.
Shit.
We'll meet you down there. Ready? Me and Liam eating fish and chips. The fish and chips. It's gonna be nice, isn't it? Fish and chips on the sea. Let's go. Drop a like if you want fish and chips on the beach. Right, Dad?
Hey.
Fish and chips. Chip, ease on the sea. There's a seagull.
Yeah, what
yeah, and
for,
you.
mate?
And you. Don't look at me.
I earned the chip.
You earned the chips. Yeah, Liam just got attacked. I didn't record it. Liam, you got attacked. How was attacking by seagulls? Like, how was it? He literally got attacked by seagulls. He had chips. He was so lucky because he had it in his hand, and the seagull was hovering above him, and then he threw it just as the pigeon went.
And they all just like
all of them were like a swarm.
Red Arrow, RAF.
Nearly got like taken out a couple of times because they were that low.
Well, even one shot my head.
Yeah, you were lucky. You were very. We were feeding them, and then they came out of nowhere. All of them just went.
He started.
I said chuck one for Vance, and then yeah, they did start like staying there and watching us. And
I would say it's not hand-eye coordination, is it? It's eye-mouth coordination.
Seagulls are very smart. Say that, they're very smart. But let's go into the beach.
I don't know.
And yeah, let's get some GoPro footage. We're gonna go and do some bodyboarding. So let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cold. Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're going in like that. That's cold in my wetsuit.
Imagine how cold it would be without a wetsuit.
It still would be cold. Oh no. Woo! Probably because it's not done up properly. Quick. I think I did it. I think so. Here we go. Woo! He's miles wide. That's a high wave. That was the peak of the wave. Go! That's what we need. Woo! It put me through. This is a good one. This is a good one. Nope. This is good. Oh shit, I was going. No. There's a wave. Don't get behind me.
Oh, that'd been a good one. That'd have been a good one. Too late.
Perfect. Know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. 'Cause I'm
You suck. I see you shooting in the wrong net. What? The other net. There you go, you're shooting in the wrong net.
Oh, I was banging it then. How to play football, kids.
Split.
Foul. Which one?
It's two, like, it's two.
Ready, trick shot off the right boys.
Oh shit. This is Liam's go on then.
Left foot. Liam, like, kicks it
Left foot.
that way.
Go on, second go, second go. Punt don't work. Nope.
Right, so guys, it's the next day right now. I keep switching out to different days. It's really weird, this vlog, but we are just about to leave this place. It's around I think it's 11 now, so we're about to leave this place because we have to check out by 11. So we're gonna go and check out, probably go somewhere else. I'm 100% sure. Probably on the way back, so we have to go down the M5 to try and go down there. And Western Supermare's down there as well, so we might go down there. I will update you guys on what goes on with the vlog. If not, you will see me do the outro. So see you later. Bye. I locked that in there. Bye. Nutella. Nutella, how good does that look? Looks good. Looks good. I'm going to taste it 1 second for you.
And besides that, you know, I don't have time to surf. I'm here. And I don't live here either. I live in Barnstable now.
That is so good. If you guys haven't tried Nutella, try it. It is incredible.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB.